What's up everyone, Jake's Aviation here. Today we're going to be doing 3 model unboxings and reviews. In front of you, or in front of us, is the SkyWest CRJ 700, Bamboo 787-9 Dreamliner, and last but not least, the British Airways 777-300 ER. So we have GeminiJets, we have NG models, and we have Phoenix models. We're gonna hop right in. We're gonna start with the smallest first. We're gonna do the little SkyWest CRJ 700. Super excited for this little model. Obviously, it's SkyWest Airlines. It's just in the actual SkyWest colors. Kind of rare. Not many of them flying like this. The more common SkyWest CRJ is either one in like a Delta connection Navy or American. Hopefully GeminiJets does do like American CRJ 700 operated by SkyWest, i.e. with a SkyWest registration. Anyway, I decided to just pick this up because SkyWest is a pretty big operator out of LA, and this has been there in the past, and I'm sure it'll be back, so good to just have it. Standard GeminiJets box. Here, 2021 releases. I forget which, I think this was a March. Honestly, I'm so bad with just like which releases are what, because I order them the second they come out and then I don't get them right away, so it's like I forget which month they're from. But anyway, here's the box. Super tiny, just a standard GeminiJets box, nothing fancy. Got the information, all that goodness. Registration on this one is 604 Sierra Kilo SK. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what we got. This is only my 4th CRJ. I have the Delta CRJ 9, 2 United CRJ 200s, and I think this is my first actual United, or my first actual CRJ 700. Sorry guys. Anyways, yeah, looks really nice. Let's go ahead and open it up. Super tiny though. It's super cool that we're finally getting these tiny little guys released. Alright. Oh wow. Oh, it's baby. Oh wow. Oh, looks like they did a really good job on it. The landing gear not effed up. Excuse my language. Not messed up at all. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Alright then. Might have to. Oh, okay. No. Alright, looks like we're just gonna be doing it at an angle like that. Alright guys, so there we have it. I'm not going to spend too much time on this because a lot of people have already gotten this model and have done reviews of it. But here you have it, the little CRJ 700 SkyWest. Some good detail there. I like the look of it. You got SkyWest Airlines just moving along. The gear, no, not bad. Got the little gear door there and everything. It's pretty good. Main gear underneath there, and the wings and the winglets look fantastic. Moving along, you have the American flag and registration, 604 Sierra Kilo, like I said. The engines looking really nice. They're actually lined up on this and everything. The tail, SkyWest. Unfortunately, you can see that the horizontal stabilizers are a little bent up. That's unfortunate, because obviously they're supposed to be bent down in real life. But no big deal. At least the gear, which has probably been the biggest issue with the CRJs for GeminiJets, they actually look like spot on. They're not too close at all, I don't think. So yeah, there you have it. Honestly, looks great. And underneath looks really nice. See the little GeminiJets logo there. Well, yeah, spinning it around, there's a looking at nose first. There you go. Looks really nice, all apart from these, but anyway, is what it is. So yeah, this side. And I got the little, where's the baggage doors on this? I think they're on the other side actually. Yeah, right under there. And if I remember correctly, there is one. Yeah, that's just that one on the other side there by the engine. So yeah, that's pretty much it guys. That's very, very simple but awesome little model. The colors look great. The only minor issue I feel like is that these horizontal stabilizers are bent upwards instead of down, and I don't think that's any big deal. Honestly, I'm not going to really be looking at that and criticizing it too much. I've rambled on enough about GeminiJets in the past. This model is overall decent, and I like it, and I'm happy to have it. So we'll put that aside, and we'll move on to another awesome model I'm super excited for. Let's just fix this here. So next up, we're going to do the Bamboo Airways Dreamliner. This is a Vietnamese airline. Started up a couple years ago, and they have A320. I think they have some A320s, 21s, and the 787-9s. Really nice. The reason I picked this one up is because this airline is starting service to LA in, I believe, November. Let's take a look. But yeah, so super excited for this model. Really nice NG models. I picked this up from Waffle Collectibles. They happened to have it in stock, and I saw it and I was like, oh, absolutely. Because I realized that they're gonna start service to Los Angeles. Let's go ahead and see when they're starting here. They start September 1st from direct from Ho Chi Minh City in Vietnam. So super exciting. Very nice. I think that's going to be the first time in modern times that a Vietnamese airline has flown into LA, because I don't think I haven't heard or see any plans for Vietnam Airlines to start service. So it's super exciting that the Bamboo's gotten their approvals, and they'll be starting service on September 1st. Anyway, just, you know, classic NG box. Let's go ahead, and I know NG is, as all of you know, NG is known for their awesome 787 mold. So let's go ahead, open this up, and just looking at it, looks amazing. Let's check the underneath. Looking good. All right, guys. Super excited for this. A little scared about this styrofoam though, because it seems they're always kind of like stuck in. There we go. Pulling it out. Oh, absolute beauty. Wow. Okay. Interesting that there's no bottom like plastic plate. Not sure why. But anyway, here we have the model. So let's zoom in so we can see what we got going on here. All right, so here we have Bamboo Airways. Samson Beach right there, FLC group, Vietnamese flag, gear door with 818 on it. Landing gear looks great. Interesting that they painted the door green. Not sure why, but I think that's kind of cool. Bamboo Airways, the titles, looks really nice. Something different, you know. Moving on, you got Fly Bamboo on the engines. Obviously, NG models with these wings, and the engines are absolutely fabulous. There's not that crazy wing flex. It's an excellent mold. The nose, everything looks fantastic, as you can see. So, moving along, you got the antennas on the top, and one of the, I guess is, yeah, the Wi-Fi right there, the dome underneath. I don't actually have the antennas underneath there. Interesting. I guess maybe they don't have, but on the back there's the antenna on the back. Anyway, moving along, so we got the gear under there, looking really nice. Moving back, just you got the Dreamliner there. Oh, it actually looks like there's an issue. Interesting. So it looks like there's a little teeny, I guess, smudge, paint smudge or whatever. They missed the A, part of the A is missing there. No big deal. Dreamliner, you got the little baggage door right there. The registration, Victor November -A Alpha 818, looking really nice. And then the, you know, nice little bamboo sort of tail green and the blues. I think it's, you know, something different. The livery is overall pretty white, but the underneath has this awesome sort of this awesome blue with bamboo underbelly, which I think is super cool. I always love when airlines do like stuff like this on the underbelly, like Delta with the Delta belly, and a couple other airlines that have that sort of like logo on the bottom. I think it looks awesome. So props to this airline for the delivery design with that. Move along to this side, same thing on this side here. Samsung Beach and then FLC Group, whatever that means. I'm not too sure. I'd have to do some research. But then you have the cargo door, all this little fine detail, absolutely incredible. I'm moving along. The engine's on this side, looking really nice. The aft cargo door, same thing. See, there's the Dreamliner with the A there, not missing this time, and the registration. Interesting that they have the flag up front and not on the back, just a tiny little registration there. But you know, pretty plain model, but overall really nice. You have the antennas obviously on the back here, and then as I say, there's one on the back, the bottom right here. So really nice, super excited, and I hope that, you know, the service to LA works out and it doesn't drop at any point. But you know, first Vietnamese carrier in my fleet, in my collection, should I say. Really excited. So let's move that aside and we'll move on to the final model, which is the brand new Phoenix, one of the, this was last month's release, the Phoenix models, British Airways 777-300ER, registration Golf Sierra Tango Bravo Mike, one of the new ones that was delivered, I believe last year or the year before, 2019, to British Airways. Really nice, super excited for this. They have, British Airways tends to rotate, or should I say swap aircraft on the LA Heathrow route quite a lot. I've seen anywhere from the 380 7.4 to the 777-200ER, 777-300ER. There's the 788, 789s. I don't know if they've sent a 7810 or the A350-1000 yet, but I wouldn't be surprised if they did rotate that through on the route as well. However, the 777-300ER does fly in and out there occasionally. I know back before the pandemic, one flight, I think a day, was just a 777-300ER. And then one was the 747-400. Obviously, the 747-400s are gone now, unfortunately. So it'll be curious to see when, you know, things really do pick back up, if there's 2 flights a day, which aircraft are going to be used and how much it's going to be switched around. But anyway, this is I have the British Airways 380, but I think this is my first British Airways like actual like 777. I don't have a big British Airways collection at all. I think this is my second actual aircraft. So really excited. I do need a 787-9 really badly, but they're either non-existent in terms of like model stores, or they're super expensive on eBay. So hoping someone will re-release one in the future, so I can take advantage of that. But anyway, let's go ahead and open this up. Got the back, London Bridge, really nice, classic, you know, Phoenix sort of box. It's interesting because there's no indication that it's actually like really Phoenix models. It doesn't actually, they don't have their logo on any of the boxes or anything. But anyway, let's go to open her up. Oh wow. Ooh, looking really nice. There we go. All right. Phoenix models, their mold for the 777-300ER is, I have no complaints with it. It's pretty damn good. I think it's second to Aviation 400's superior 333 mold. All right, wow, this looks absolutely incredible. Damn. All right. Woo. Alrighty. Amazing. Give me a second here. Just out of the way. Here's the model, guys. Alright. British Airways 333. Nothing too fancy. There's not many markings here on or near the cockpit. The gear does look really good though. I think that looks fine. Got a British Airways titles with the logo. And you have the little One World logo and all that little stuff right by the door there. Both L1 and L2. Not sure what this sort of silver... Not sure what that is. Oh, it's the crown, of course. For a second I was like, is that like a paint smudge or whatever? But no, it's the crown, the silver crown, which I think that's super cool that it stuck that there. Beautiful GE90s, looking nice as always. You can see right through, which I think is kind of cool. It's kind of hollow. You can see there's some detail inside there, which is nice. So yeah, moving down, you have antenna top there. Just kind of moving along the overwing exit with the nice markings. So there's that. The gear looking really nice. They're obviously rolling landing gear, and they do tilt, so you can sort of pivot them, which I think is super cool. If you put it on a stand, you can kind of angle them either on the departure or the arrival. Just continue to move along. Got the registration back there. Say Golf Sierra Tango Bravo Mike GSTBM, and then the nice flag at the back. Alright, got the little antennas. Kind of weird because this is like super like faint on the top there, but they do have it. And then you have the antennas on the bottom, which are detailed. You have the red one and the white one there. So yeah, just turning it around. There's the head-on view, looks really nice. Looking at this side, you just have the cargo doors. You have some of the windows closed. I think that's kind of cool. And everything. Yeah, it's the cargo and baggage door. So overall, that's pretty much it. We'll take a look at the underneath real quick. Plain, simple, nothing to show. Just some good detail though with the markings, as you can see. Pretty nice. But overall, great model. Super excited. So I think this is like my first actual BA model, like other than the 380 in my fleet. So, you know, there we go. Starting to be a collection. I don't think I'll ever get my collection to where Aviation 18s is, but he's got me outbeat with that. But yeah, super excited to have this model. So overall, 3 really cool models, guys. Got the 777, 78, the little CRJ 700. So there you have it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this fairly short but fun little model unboxing review video. Stay tuned for more. Like and subscribe, and comment down below which is your favorite. See you on the next one, guys. Take care. Bye bye.